Hey, it's Rolando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week, I'm answering a question from an Instagram fan. She said, Rolando, I have a lot of credit cards. I don't plan on using them. I want to close them, but I'm afraid if I close them, my credit score will be affected. Is that true? You have a lot of credit cards. You no longer want to use them. The smartest thing to do is to close them, right? But doing so can affect your credit score. So here's how you should close them. You want to close any accounts that are newer. If you have older accounts and you have newer accounts, close the newer accounts. Leave the older ones open. Why? Because you have that relationship with that creditor. You've established 5, 10, 15 years of credit history with that creditor. You want to maintain that relationship open in case you ever need it. Because opening new credit can potentially drop your score. So close any accounts that are newer, leave the older one open. If you are going to close any accounts, you have to make sure that your ratios are not affected, because the moment you close that credit card, you lose that available credit limit, which could decrease your overall usage percentage. So if you're going to close any new accounts, make sure they have a zero balance and your overall spending balance to limit is lower than 30%, because closing an account, you lose that available credit, your ratio could drop, your scores could drop. So recap, if you have to close some accounts, close the newer accounts, leave the older ones open, but before you close any accounts, make sure your ratios are not going to be affected. I prefer to have a zero balance on all your credit cards before you close it. Never, ever, ever close an account with a balance. First, pay it off, then close it. I hope this tip was helpful. If you guys have any questions, please shoot me a message. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Talk to you guys soon.